Hi guys. It's so big. I'll give you a tour. Okay.
Kasi?
They're going swimming. I'm sure give a tour. So.
Ano ba yan? Wala na karaoke nga.
So first off, I'm gonna show you the room. So this is the living room. This is just her resort, so it's not really a house. And this is the kitchen.
Ano doon?
Mosquito! Mosquito! Mosquito!
Ay, pa yung may double bed.
Hindi po.
Dalawang double bed.
Same po din siya.
This is the outside. That's the pool. I still don't know that I could reach that though. This is the house. Thingy. So. Mommy, Mama.
Ang bagong-bago to. Sana ma-retain, no?
Okay, so this is the room.
Yung balasubas, no?
Hindi na po maiwasan natin yan, no?
Kaya nga, yun lang ang problema. Pag inakuha mo, mga balasubas eh.
Wait, I also have another thing. That's the whole outside.
Isa lang po yun.
And this is where I could sit and stuff. Wait, I don't want to go there. I want to go there. Naka.
Dalawa na may double bed. Di ba yung binigay naman? Yung binigay na dalawang Hindi, dalawa yung double bed. Dalawa. So, ako
There's that, and I really want to sit in there, but no one's with me. So yeah, that's how house tour. Right. I mean, resort tour.